Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to unstar a file in Google Drive on your PC, especially following the latest updates. If you've been using Google Drive, you might have noticed how easy it is to star files for quick access. However, sometimes you may want to unstar a file to keep your starred list organized. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open your web browser and navigate to drive.google.com. This will take you directly to your Google Drive where all your files are stored. Once you're in Google Drive, take a moment to locate the file you want to unstar. You can scroll through your files or use the search bar at the top if you know the name of the file. When you find it, look for the 3 vertical dots next to the file name. This is the options menu for that specific file. Click on those 3 dots and a drop-down menu will appear. In this menu, you'll see several options related to managing your file. Look for the option labeled Organize and click on it. This will open another menu where you can manage the starred status of your file. Now, in this new menu, find and select Remove from Starred. By clicking this option, the file will no longer be starred, which means it will be removed from your starred files list. This is a great way to declutter your starred section and keep only those files that are truly important. And that's it. You've successfully unstarred a file in Google Drive. Remember, if you ever need to star it again, simply follow these steps in reverse by selecting Add to Starred from the same options menu. Keeping your Google Drive organized not only helps you find files more efficiently, but also enhances your overall productivity. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on using Google Drive effectively.